A brief explanation of soap. Soap is a cleansing agent made from fats or oils combined with an alkali. It is used to remove dirt, oil, and bacteria from the skin and can also be used for other cleaning purposes. Making your own soap can be a rewarding experience. Not only is it a great way to save money, but it can also be a fun and creative activity. With the right ingredients and a few simple steps, you can make your own soap from the comfort of your own home. Making your own soap requires a few basic ingredients such as lye, water, and oils. You can also add other ingredients such as fragrances, colors, and exfoliants. Once you have all the ingredients, simply mix them together, pour the mixture into a soap mold, and let it set. After the soap has set, it can be cut into bars and used. Making your own soap is a great way to ensure that you know exactly what ingredients are going into your soap. With the right ingredients and a few simple steps, you can make your own soap from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.